best belly fat burner drink to lose belly fat completely. Hi everyone. I hope you are all well. If you are coming to our YouTube channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and activate the bell button so that you will be the first to receive such an amazing videos. Thank you in advance for your usual support. If you're worried about the inability to reduce your belly fat, then this video is for you. Worry no more. I say again, worry no more. It is quite frustrating when you've tried your possible best, but nothing is still working. Here we are to give you what will end all your heartache and worries in trying to lose belly fat. If you are looking for a natural and fast belly fat burner to lose belly fat at home without strict diet or exercise, this belly fat burner drink is the best fit for you. We will start by informing you of all the ingredients we will be using, their health benefits, procedures involved in making this belly fat burner, and lastly, how to store and how to take this belly fat burner on a daily basis. Before that, please do well to activate the bell button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The first ingredient we will need for this belly burner drink is apple. Apples are low in calories. Apples have a good dose of dietary fiber which help to lose weight fast. Apples are high in fibers, especially pectin, which is a type of soluble fiber. Apples, pectin, improve digestive health, especially the colon and stomach. Apples regulates the body's use of sugars and also lower high cholesterol. The antioxidants in apple play a role in cancer prevention. The second ingredient we will need for this belly burner drink is ginger. Ginger facilitates the absorption of fats in the small intestine. Ginger promotes weight loss by burning the accumulated fat in the abdominal area. Ginger promotes digestion, and also treats digestive problems. The third ingredient we will need for this belly burner drink is cinnamon. When a person's insulin becomes resistant, and sugar doesn't get metabolized, it gets converted into fat, thereby helping in boosting metabolic rate. Cinnamon keeps your cholesterol level, and also keeps the blood sugar level in check by stimulating insulin, which metabolize sugar from the foods ingested. Cinnamon optimizes oral hygiene. The last ingredient we will need for this belly burner drink is lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants which are very useful in the process of belly fat burning, and kills cancerous cells. Lemon increases the feeling of satiety and fullness for a long period, without adding calories to the body. Lemons aids in digestion and detoxification. Lemon boosts energy and enhances immunity. Here are the procedures for the preparation of this belly fat burner drink. Remove the seeds of one apple and cut it into small pieces. We are going to need a piece of fresh ginger of this size. Peel and cut the ginger into small pieces. Add 1 stick of cinnamon. In a saucepan, put the cut apple, ginger, and a stick of cinnamon. Add 1/2 liter of water. Bring to a boil. Simmer on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow to boil, let it to cool down for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture. Squeeze 1/2 lemon in a bowl. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice. All the ingredients of this fat burner recipe promote greatly belly fat loss by reducing fat storage, reduction of appetite, and improves metabolism. Please do well to activate the bell button, like the video, comment, share, and subscribe. You can store this fat burner recipe in the refrigerator for 3 days. To get an effective result, continue to drink this belly fat burner recipe on a daily basis for 2 weeks. Drink 1 cup, 180 milliliters, in the morning, 1/2 hour before breakfast, and 1 cup 1/2 hour before dinner. Thanks for watching. If you have any request, don't hesitate. We welcome your comments. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like video, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.